How to improve your day trading in just 2 minutes. That's right, this video is 120 seconds long and I'm going to give you 3 real useful tips on how to improve your day trading. Tip number 1, go ahead and schedule the days that you are going to day trade in advance. Most professions do this already. Think about it. If you're a football player, you know when your football games are going to be. If you're a tennis player, you know when your tennis matches are going to be. The goal is know ahead of time what days you're going to trade. Are you going to miss some moves? Absolutely. You're missing moves right now by watching this video. We miss moves all of the time. The truth of the matter is, scheduling it ahead of time will allow you to know exactly when you are going to day trade. Which brings me to step number 2 to improve your day trading. Tell other people your exact days. Tell your family, tell your friends, tell your support network, tell your mentors, tell your bosses, tell your coaches, tell whoever you can tell that they know the days ahead of time that you're going to day trade. That ahead of time can be a month, 2 months, 3 months ahead of time where you carve out exact, very, very specific days to trade. Which brings me to number 3. Know your exact hours of the days that you are going to trade, aka have a schedule, have a job. This is a career, treat it as such. So a perfect example of how I trade on any given month. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays are my 3 main day trading times of the week. Those 3 days I commit 2 hours a day. That's 6 hours a week. And I am a full-time professional day trader. So those 6 hours, I'm focused, I am day trading, that's what I'm working on. And the hours are usually from 8 to 10 a.m. Central. So, can you do that? Did these tips help you improve your day trading? If they did, hit the like button. It looks a lot like this, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please post them where the comments go. You're absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching.